Hi, thanks for helping me today. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what we're doing in class so that you know what to expect. I'm trying really hard to train the kids to read interactively, and they just aren't in the habit of doing it. I've tried to give them guiding questions along the way, and they still really would rather read the text and then go back to answer the questions, and I'm trying to get them to read, then answer, then read, then answer, then read, then answer. So I made this document. Here's the text written, you know, as the document, and then I have little comments in the margin. So what they're going to do is they're going to read. So this first note here, if you click on it, it shows you the exact text that they should be reading before they answer the question. So they will read paragraph 1, and then they'll come back over here and say, highlight the names of the characters introduced in paragraph 1. What sets Ricky apart from the other characters? So they'll actually go through and highlight the names of the characters. And if they wanted to read the question, then read the text, that's fine too. But I really want them to stop after paragraph 1 to do the task or answer the question, because I want them to get in the habit of, reading and thinking about what they're reading, then reading and thinking about what they're reading, instead of just reading and then going back and looking at the questions. So then the second part of this says, what sets Ricky apart from the other characters? And I want them to type it right into this box. So they might say something about how Ricky is the fighter. It says up here that Ricky Tikki Tavi fought single-handed through the bathrooms of the big bungalow, and then down here it says Ricky Tikki did the real fighting. So the point is that Ricky was the fighter or something like that. I'm not looking for anything super grand or detailed. I'm looking for a quick comment that just shows comprehension, so that when they're reading, they are showing comprehension as they read the story and not at the end. This is a really long text, so it's super duper important that they're understanding it as they go along, because we're not going to be able to read it as many times as we do some of the shorter ones. So thank you very much for today. If you want to use your computer, you can just sit with them and follow along with them. If you don't want to use a computer, that's totally fine. You can just have a paper copy and then look off one of the kids' computers and read what they say, and just kind of encourage them to write. Like, make sure each person in the group is writing something, and that maybe even they're talking about it a little bit. This one is pretty easy, but some of them might be a little more difficult, and if they have a little quick 1-minute, 2-minute discussion before they all start typing, that's 100% encouraged. So I think that's all. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you very much for helping me out today.